Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a green, slimy, and nutritious topic to discuss: okra. Yes, those little green pods have a lot to offer when it comes to health. In this video, we're going to explore 10 health benefits of okra, including the lesser-known benefits of okra water. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of okra, let's get started. What is okra? First things first, what is okra? Okra, also known as lady's finger or gumbo, is a green, finger-shaped vegetable that's widely used in cooking, especially in southern cuisine. Number 1. Nutritional value. Okra is packed with nutrients. It's a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and magnesium. It's also low in calories, making it a fantastic addition to any diet. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. One of the key benefits of okra is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Number 3. Supports digestive health. Okra is a fiber-rich vegetable, which can help support a healthy digestive system. It aids in regular bowel movements and can alleviate issues like constipation. Number 4. Manages blood sugar. Okra has been shown to help stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a good choice for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Number 5. Promotes heart health. The fiber and antioxidants in okra contribute to heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and improving overall cardiovascular function. Number 6. Aids in weight management. Due to its low calorie content and high fiber, okra can be a useful addition to a weight management plan. Number 7. Supports skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in okra can give you healthy, radiant skin. Some even use okra to alleviate skin conditions like acne. Number 8. Rich in vitamin C. Okra is a fantastic source of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, helps the body absorb iron, and promotes healthy skin. Number 9. Okra water benefits. Now, let's talk about okra water. This is made by soaking okra pods in water overnight and drinking the water in the morning. It's believed to have unique health benefits. Number 10. Okra water for diabetes. Okra water is thought to help lower blood sugar levels, making it a natural remedy for diabetes. Number 11. Okra water for weight loss. Some people claim that okra water can aid in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and improving metabolism. And there you have it, folks, the 10 amazing health benefits of okra and a little extra on the benefits of okra water. Remember, incorporating okra into your diet can have a positive impact on your health. So, whether you enjoy it in your favorite dishes or as okra water, don't underestimate the power of this humble vegetable. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the benefits of okra, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. And as always, if you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with okra, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the world of natural remedies. Take care.